맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody. Welcome to Popsi Home Cooking Channel. Today I will cook sea grape salad and sea grape salmon roll. I will introduce this is, did you see this one? This is sea grape. Also, this is salmon, and this cucumber, this onion, garlic, and green onion, and this paprika. I grow up this one, very beautiful. Huh? And we need this Korean name, gochujang, this one. Also, we need vinegar, and we need sesame oil, and sesame, and paprika, and sugar. First, we wash this because I have many salt. Oh, so very funny, huh? I never see this. Oh, how can I eat this one? Oh. Okay, it's okay now. Okay. In the clean water, 3 minutes, and 3 minutes waiting. Already 3 minutes, huh? And then we put here, and then again waiting for 3 minutes. Yes, like this. When we are waiting 3 minutes, I will introduce my Lily. His name is Lily from China, and we live already 12 years. He likes so much apple. You can hear Lily. Ay, maybe so big. Lily, delicious, huh? Aya. Nice, huh? Hot, ma? Hot. Already 3 minutes. We have to take out from water, ice water. It's very funny, huh? Oh, I never see this one. Today is my first YouTube channel, so we are very much serious thinking about first this menu. Finish, and we put here. And then from now, we will make a salad. We just a little make. This knife is so sharp. It's cucumber. Maybe we need this much. You know, when I was a child, always I cut my finger. So I realized finally, like this inside. Maybe we put this paprika. Maybe this is very hot paprika. Korean name, 청양고추. Garlic. We put a little bit vinegar, yes. And we put a little bit salt. Yes, yeah, this much. Okay. And we put the sugar. Yes, yeah. Little bit Korean paprika. This is Korean 고춧가루. Just a little. Yes. Also we put here sesame. Yes, this is very expensive in South Africa. Very expensive. Yes, like this, finish, and then I use this one, I make, like mix. Oh, looks very nice. Looks very delicious. Yeah. Okay, finish it, Yes, like that. Finish it. From now, we will make this salmon roll. Salmon with this grape, sea grape. It's very funny, this. They said this is very good for health. Mm.